Hi, this is Chris from Tailgate Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Holden Captiva 5, stock reference number 5284. This shape runs from the 9th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2015. It has an LE5 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE5 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Bonnet has one small dent. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, upper and lower, left headlight, left fog light with surround, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror has light scratches, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls. Single stack CD player. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Left sun visor. Courtesy lamp. Right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Tailgate Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.